Former First Lady of Nigeria, Patience Jonathan, has announced that she will not be returning to the Aso Rock Villa, but will instead campaign alongside Oluremi Tinubu, the current First Lady, in the upcoming 2027 general elections. Speaking at an event in Abuja on Saturday night, where she received the Women Icon Leader of the Year award from Accolade Dynamics Limited, Patience emphasized the importance of rotational leadership for national unity. "I believe in one president," she said. "I believe in turn by turn. When it's your turn, I will support you. When it's not your turn, step back so that the country can move forward." While acknowledging the presence of Folashade Tinubu, daughter of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and Iyaloja General of Nigeria, Patience expressed her unwavering support for the current administration and Nigerian women. "I was supposed to call her first, but I saved her for last. The daughter of our wonderful president, the president of Nigeria, the one and only we believe in, President Bola Tinubu," she said. Patience Jonathan also spoke fondly of her long-standing relationship with Remi Tinubu, noting that their bond started long before their time in Aso Rock and remains strong. The former First Lady, known for her outspoken nature, emphasized that her support is firmly behind the current leadership. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.